on the scale of life, you have a finite amount of time. So time lost cannot be regained. Let me ask you guys a question. If you lose $100 right now, can you go get $100 back tomorrow?
Yes.
Right. Can you go back and get yesterday back? Who can go get yesterday?
I
No
wish
one.
I could.
Can somebody go back and get yesterday?
No,
No one.
So the notion that time equals money is not correct because time is limited. Therefore, a limited thing has more value. Your time has more value than something that the government can constantly print. They can print this, guys. Like, no cap. It can get printed right around the clock. But the time that you lost, you can never regain it. So how is time equal to money when if you lose money, you can get it back, but if you lose time, you can't get it back? Do you see the disconnect right there? They're not the same. So most of us, we were told that our time, right? Our time is worth so many dollars, right? Because you're gonna work for what? $8 an hour, right? You're gonna work for $18 an hour. You're gonna work for $180 an hour. So your time is locked in to a certain amount of hours. So what happens when you only can work 8 hours a day? That means you stop making money because when you clock out, there's no more money to be made. Is that a fair statement?
right. That's true.
Is that fair? Is that true?
Yes,
True statement.
it's very true.
So how can we, right? You're here. You're at the Consumer Law and Wealth Mastery Challenge. How can I teach you how to discontinue your revenue generation from time? Well, I've solved that problem for the last 4 years. I'm here right now. I'm on this challenge, right?
Mhm.
My 8 businesses in Jamaica, they're still making money. Am I there?
No,
So
No.
is my money making skill tied to time and I'm still making money in Jamaica?
Your money making skills are not tied to time. You're right.
Who would like to learn this skill? Is there anyone? Let me take it off of this view. So
Me.
is there anyone
All of us.
is there anyone here that would like to learn a skill that does not tie your time to revenue?
yes, yes, I
There-
would.
Yes.
Yes, I
Yes.
would.
Yes.
I only
Yes,
4 people.
yes.
I only there's like 50 of y'all on here.
Show me
I've been
automation.
waiting
Only
for
show
this
like 4 people.
moment
Let's get
for
it.
all my
Let's
life.
go. Let's go.
All right, let me show you guys this
Yes.
secret. And I learned this from
Yes, yes.
Preach, preacher.
what we need to comprehend is that we need to bring value to the marketplace, right? We need to bring value to the marketplace. And I'm going to show you guys a real life example, and then I'm going to show you guys a future example, and then I will show you guys the receipt at a later date. The power of FICO. Let me change the screen so you guys can see it. Right? Oh, let me fix my light. There we go. Get some more light in this room. All right, there we go. All right. The power of FICO, right? I wrote this book when I was at training. I wrote this overnight, right? It was the night my grandfather died. I wrote this book when my grandfather died, right? And that's 2 years now. Wrote this one time. How many times?
2 times,
How many times did I write this book?
One time.
1 time.
One.
Fact, I wrote this book one time. It's been 2 years. There's a physical copy that's sold on Amazon, and then there's a digital copy that's sold on my website and in funnels and a lot of different places, right? And I've made over $300,000 off of this book. And it's still selling right now. How many times did I make it?
One
One
time.
time.
Nine. And it's still paying me, right? The best book I have ever written, Forbidden Credit. This book has helped thousands of people. But if you're talking about combining these two books, you're on a completely different level. Forbidden Credit, I think we have passed over $150,000 with the Forbidden Credit, and this isn't even 6 months yet. I don't think Forbidden Credit is 6 months old yet. I don't think it is. Anyway, right? So I'm going to show you guys a real life example. I'm going to be combining these two books together, right? What do we have now? Memorial Day, right?
Yep.
Your time does not have to equal to money. This book right now on the website, let me go look for it because I want to show you guys real numbers in real time. So let me go to the website. Or if Haiti can get to it first. Daraine. Let's go to ebooks. All right. So on the website, I'm going to do this so you guys can see it. All right. So on the website, Forbidden Credit is $197, right? And FICO is 49. So I'm going to add these up. So 147 plus 49. How much is that?
150.
Oh, it wasn't 140.
156.
It's 190. Sorry, it's 197. I'm sorry. It's 197. 197 plus 49 is how what?
That's 230.
246.
246.
246. It's actually, I don't know what's going on with my eyes today. My eyes are playing tricks on me. It is actually 47. Yeah, there we go. So 197 plus 47 is equal to?
Well,
To what?
That's
244.
244.
All right, thank you. 244, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I created this last year. I created that the year before. So $244. What I'm going to be doing this weekend is I'm going to cut this sale, and both books, I'll be giving both books for, I'm going to do a weekend sale where I'm giving both books for $55. Some of you are going to look at me and say, Daraine, you are absolutely nuts. Why would you sell two books that's on your website for $244? Like, why would you drop it to $55? Can somebody say volume?
Volume.
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 I
Volume.
need somebody to say volume.
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 Guys, for the last 4 years, I've been able to use this strategy on digital products and physical products to make a lot of money. And I'm going to show you guys. $55 product. I'm going to make a video tonight. I'm going to make this video tonight. And, oh, before I go do that, let me show y'all something else. Let's go to YouTube. No idea who that person is. But let me see if YouTube pulls up my channel or not. Let's see if I'm signed. Oh, there we go. I'm signed in. Perfect. All right. Where's my account? Oh, there we go. View your channel. All right. This is Forbidden Credit, right? I'm gonna show you guys how this thing works. Get over here. Anyway, right? Forbidden Credit has 8,314 views. Now, I want you to cut that in half, right? And times that by, let's say, $97, because I was doing a sale on this, right? 97, and you will cut that in half and do the math for me. So we have 8,314 divided by 2, 8,314 divided by 2, and then multiply it by 97. What's your number?
I get 403,000.
403. Okay. All right. Cool. This is about the account deletion letter, right? Now, hey, hello, handsome guy right there. Your revenue, what do I have here? The 24-hour over the phone script, right? Now, this script, which is $77, is on here and about, where is it? Where's the views? 1,751 persons viewed it. Let's take 10%. Let's just be conservative. 10% of this is what?
175.
So I want you to multiply 175 by 77. Let's just say 10%. What do you get?
13,482. 13,482. 13K. Yeah.
Okay. Let's go back. I want you to look, every view that you're seeing is a potential buy. And some of you are gonna say, well, Daraine, I don't like social media. All right, keep making no money. It's okay. I'm gonna bundle those two books and I'm gonna sell those two books for $55. Let me ask you guys a question. How many of you would buy both those books for $55?
I would.
I would.
I would. I'm getting
I
ready
would.
to order. I want
The
to order.
book is
Yes.
solving a problem, right? And
Right.
not only is the book solving a problem, there's a lot of you that's probably gonna buy it. Not only is the book solving a problem, the book is also content that you can use to sell your products and services. What do I mean by that? You are a credit repair specialist, you're a consultant, right?
Mhm.
I want y'all to look at me when I'm speaking about this, because when I do this math, I want y'all to pay attention. Like I'm literally showing you this in real time. Over the phone today, Win got deletions and James got deletions. I just made a video that has over 1,700 views on the same item that you guys used on the challenge, right? I'm on this challenge right now, but that video is on YouTube doing what? Making me money, correct?
Mhm.
Right.
So have you, has it clicked that Daraine has completely discontinued revenue generation from time? Has
Yes.
it clicked for anyone yet?
Mm.
So like only 2 persons get it. Only 2 persons get it?
I got it.
I got it.
Who else
We got it. We got it. We got
Yeah.
it.
You just left them speechless, brother.
All right, so let me show you something. You're gonna pick a product. Your product needs to what? Solve. Your product needs to solve a problem. We solve the problem of what? Consumer law. And personal credit. How many people have a problem with their credit? How many people? All right.
Millions.
Millions.
You gotta answer.
Millions. Millions.
Now I don't need
Millions.
you gotta answer. Let's go over to Google.